This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tasty canned tuna. First, select your favorite canned tuna, either in water or oil. Ensure you drain it very well to avoid a watery salad. Next, prepare your mixing bowl and gather essential ingredients like mayonnaise, sweet relish, and a touch of mustard. This quick method ensures a delicious meal in under 5 minutes, perfect for a busy day. For a single 5-ounce can of tuna, you'll want about 2 tablespoons of good quality mayonnaise. This provides the creamy base. Then, add 1 tablespoon of sweet pickle relish. It brings a lovely tang and a hint of sweetness. A small dash of Dijon mustard, perhaps 1/4 of a teaspoon, can elevate the flavor profile significantly. Don't forget salt and black pepper to taste. Now, gently combine all your ingredients in a medium-sized bowl. Use a fork to break up the tuna and ensure everything is thoroughly mixed and coated. You want a flaky, moist consistency, not a mushy one. This delicious tuna salad is perfect on toasted bread, crisp crackers, or even as a light lettuce wrap. It's a versatile and satisfying meal. Feel free to customize your tuna by adding finely chopped celery or red onion for extra crunch and flavor. A sprinkle of fresh dill or parsley can also brighten the taste. This easy method is a fantastic base for countless variations. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade tuna.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.